Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to retire your player in Madden 27 Superstar mode. You can do it through the Superstar Powers menu, but there is one requirement you need to meet first. Start by going to the Character tab in Superstar mode and from here select Superstar Powers. This menu gives you access to different powers and options that can affect your Superstar career, including things like Demand Trade, Trade Teammate, Trade for a Player, Influence Free Agency and more. Now find the retire option here and select it. If the option is locked, that's because you haven't unlocked the required biographer level yet. The game shows that retire requires biographer level 1 and it's listed as always available once you meet that requirement. So if you are just starting your superstar career, you won't be able to retire immediately. You'll need to progress your character and unlock biographer level 1 first. Once you have reached biographer level 1, come back to the character tab, open superstar powers again and select retire. From there, you can make the decision to end your superstar's career and see whether your career and accomplishments are good enough to make the Hall of Fame. So that's how you can retire in Madden 27 Superstar mode. Just remember, you need to unlock biographer level 1 before the retire option becomes available. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.